Di Morelli SPF 35 is a paraben-free, oil-free, and non-comedogenic physical sun protector. It's formulated with 10% micronized zinc oxide that provides protection against both UVA, or aging, and UVB, or burning, rays. This product is lightweight, transparent, and it leaves no greasy residue on the skin. Di Morelli SPF 35 works well for all skin types and is safe for use on sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin. Key ingredients are 10% micronized zinc oxide, which is safe for sensitive skin. This ingredient creates a physical sun barrier to protect your skin against both UVA and UVB rays. Vitamin E is an antioxidant which protects your skin from harsh environmental aggressors and repairs damage. And lastly, panthenol, or vitamin B5, is a hydrating ingredient that prevents transepidermal water loss and helps retain moisture in the skin. This ingredient is also great for sensitive skin. SPF should be worn on a daily basis. Repeated exposure to UVA rays can cause accelerated aging in the skin. UVA rays have the longest wavelength and can penetrate through clouds, rain, and glass, and are present from sunrise to sunset at the same strength. These rays can penetrate to the dermis and cause wrinkles, sagging, and hyperpigmentation.